Hello, my topic is Aziz M. Mizan, CEO and founder of Big T Entertainment. Introduction of Aziz M. Mizan. Aziz M. Mizani was born in 1975. He was one who found an online ticket booking platform in India first time. He was completed PG in Sydenham University of Mumbai. After completing his PG, he was worked in Walt Thompson Company, and he was started his passion in 1999 in India. Career and success story of Book My Show. After his completing as his MBA program, he was worked in Walt Thompson Company. In that, he was a client manager and account account manager. He was went to South Africa with his two friends Parex and Rajesh. Rajesh, and he came back to India. He was listening a radio promoting a rugby ticket. In his mind, he got an idea to sell a ticket in online. He was in 24 and his friends was being approach venture capital to his business. He was in his headquarters has been his bedroom. Uh, after after the after the company was running, that was many ups and downs, and the company were run in successfully. They were selling a ticket nearby people who were in Mumbai. .com bus. Uh, the Victory Entertainment was came fall down the .com bus where came in 2000. They were a .com bus came. The Victory Entertainment was lost this company profit and success, so they were run with impact of his own risk, and the Aziz was never give up. In 2007, the Victory Entertainment was officially launched in India, and the .com named as Victory Book My Show. In Book My Show, we can book a ticket, movie, live concerts, music, play, uh, etc. And additionally added IPL and ISL, etc. etc. The first investor was came in 2007. Uh, the investor was invest amount to Big Tree Entertainment was 2.5 crores. The investor named as JP Morgan Chase, with the company has been uh, grow grow in grow in high. Finally, he got a good time. The big tree. Finally, he got a good time to Big Tree. The debit card and credit card penetration was increasing in that time. It was growth has been multiple. As is start is comets, and they worked has been quickly success is been market storm and making a ticket to more. The investors of board has been SAIF and auxiliary partners, and the book my show has been developed in many countries, uh, USA, uh, Indonesia, Australia, Sri Lanka, etc. In mid of June 2013, a Book My Show has been dealt with PVR. Unsold ticket of PVR. Book My Show has sell a ticket in online. It was big gain to Big Tree Entertainment. The PVR cinemas. He was invested in PVR cinemas for 80 screens and 380 80 cinemas and 380 screens, and he was operating to 1500 screens. Net worth. A company of employee has now has 400 people in India, like Chennai, Mumbai, Bangalore, etc. The in 2007, Net 18 invested a company with certain sum of US venture Actually partner were invested as 18 million August 2007. Uh, the company has been started fund raising in 100 million. The company net worth in nowadays has been more than 3,000 crores. Future plan, future plan for Victory Entertainment. They were purchased a green ticket company. The company has been shared now to planning to the IPO as soon as. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving a wonderful opportunity.